what good is the logic analyzer for, and how different it is from an oscilloscope. Logic analyzer is basically an oscilloscope which lets you monitor large quantity of signals simultaneously. And unlike oscilloscopes, which usually has limited number of channels, logic analyzers can have hundreds of channels. So in a digital system with hundreds of signals happening simultaneously, you cannot use an oscilloscope to look at the whole picture. And with logic analyzers, you can. You can zoom in on a particular signal. You can convert actually waveforms. You see right now this logic analyzer being operated in the waveform mode, but you can change it to the digital mode or numeric mode, and you will be able to see numbers like you see right here. And so basically you can crack any digital system by using logic analyzer. And also if you need to design something that uses a lot of logic signals, you can use it to troubleshoot your design. So it's an invaluable tool, and it's really going to open new insights into the digital world for those especially who never done any digital development or troubleshooting before. So